I am Guido van Rossum. I created the Python language. I've worked on Python for 25 years, and I've worked with a large group of others, of course, in the Python community. I'm very excited to see you all in this class, and I'm very proud that you're using my language to learn. Python is just the first step you are setting on the path to programming. There are many exciting things to learn in programming, many that you can learn using Python, many that you can learn using other things, and you won't be alone. There will be millions of people who have gone before you or who are learning Python at the same time as you, and you can help each other and you can learn together.